I'm Ian with Touratech USA, and this is the Touratech Rallyeform skid plate for the Honda Africa Twin. The Honda Africa Twin is arguably one of the most off-road capable adventure bikes on the market today, and when you're going to use your bike off-road, you need the ultimate protection for that motorcycle. If you've got an Africa Twin or you've seen a picture of one, you're familiar with the stock skid plate on that bike. It's pretty small, it's a little thin piece of stamped aluminum, it's just not very strong. When you're going to protect your motorcycle, you got to do it properly. That's what the Touratech Rallyeform skid plate is for. The Rallyeform skid plate is a two-part system. It's got this big stainless steel bracket that's bolted to the frame underneath the engine. There's no connection to the engine with this skid plate. And then you've got this massive hydroformed chunk of aluminum. It's 4 millimeters thick. It's all one piece that's pressed into shape, so there's no welds, no weak areas on the skid plate. And this big old piece bolts underneath this bracket on the bottom of the motorcycle frame. This skid plate, as you can tell, is huge. It easily dwarfs the stock skid plate, and it really wraps around the whole underside of the motorcycle. Covers water pump and stator, even gets up really high on the frame here, right where the header tubes come out of the front of the engine. So tons of coverage with this skid plate. We actually have 4 different versions of this skid plate for the Africa Twin. It may seem like a lot, but the Africa Twin's available with a manual transmission or a DCT automatic transmission, and the skid plate is actually so high on one side of the engine that it would interfere with the DCT system. So we make a version of the skid plate specifically for the DCT bikes that's cut a little bit lower on both sides to clear the wider engine case. That also allows you to use that skid plate with lower crash bars if you want to run lower crash bars and a big engine skid plate on your bike. The skid plates are also available in silver or black. That's where you get 4 versions. So again, this is the Touratech Rallyeform skid plate for the Honda Africa Twin. This is your ultimate engine protection for that bike. Check it out at touratech-usa.com.